Damn, the one shot I wanted, I didn't get it. Damn it.
Water down to about a quarter of an inch down there. If you want, listed 2 months for sale. 10-story, maybe 2-story, wood and white house. Front porch has 6 large pillars. I'm not that resident, so I would buy Gable Real Estate. Be checking that previously unoccupied.
Road and Jiminy Peak, or the wires are arcing.
Section, got another one? Degree. Occupy FG. Engine 1, go ahead. From 7, moving flag. Engine 3 is out, 131 Woodlawn. South Shore. Five stop, signal western. Track number 1 to track number 1, which is the motor. Screen. 316 screen. You're back on post, out of service. 112. 316, 2129.
Spin some more of that damn light, you know.
They're all set.
Can you break from the follow-up?
6, I'm in the middle of something. Is this important?
NVA, PI.
Where's the LP gun in the second? Where is it?
Benedict at Springside.
Alarm engine 2, medic 91, back at Springside Avenue for more reflex.
Wow.
Alarm engine 2, medic 91, Benedict Road at Springside Avenue for vehicle accident.
Got it.
2131.
300.
Yeah, there ain't gonna be any, if that road or road I'm thinking's washed out in Petersburg, there ain't nothing gonna be moving on Pan Am.
Sending EMS 50 out there.
Receive.
I'm clear per Sergeant for Service Street's open.
Clear at 2132. Officer KO 4028 over. Tunnel for inbound.
Fingers are killing me.
290 Bradford. Hill Road, 44 Griffin Hill Road, for the Chica resident. 61-year-old female party, chest tight. Yes, the boy player respond on a medical call, 44 Griffin Hill Road, for the Chica resident. 61-year-old female party, chest tightness, and rising blood pressure. Clear 2136.